Let me show you what we both were doing wrong actually, and Danny's just clarified with me. So if we look at this one here, you've got BBox, TTT and TTT. What we can't do is have two TTT here and TT here, okay? So you can't get a coin to look at itself because obviously that won't work. So what I've done is I've done a little PowerPoint presentation, which I'll show you now. Right, so what we have right now in the system, we have the code for a coin called key. And BBox has a key on that exchange, and so does Binance. But the problem is these are two different coins. So what we need to do already in the system, in Johnny Blockchain, is the code key. Okay, what we need to do is actually create a new code for a coin. So what we would do is we would create key 1 and give that the real name of self key. So now Johnny understands that there's two coins, one called key and one called key 1. And you see now Johnny will understand that key 1 is a completely different coin to key. But if we give them both the same code, it's not doing anything, you know. So hopefully that makes that bit clear. So what we have to do is when we create a coin, okay, because key already exists, so we can't duplicate the key. So what we need to do is create a code called key 2, give it its real name, and in this case it should be just self coin. Well, you've got this one as self coin down here, you see. So this one is actually just the word key. This one is self key, so it's just written like that on the exchange. So that's self key. So now we've got two keys. One's key 1, the original key, and key 2. So now if we come to this screen, this screen, I'll refresh this screen, and then I'm going to look for key. So as you can see now, I've got key, which is the original one, which is what BBox is already on. So we don't need this line. This one can be deleted because the system already knows about that. So I'm going to delete that line and get rid of it. Going to refresh for key again. Now I've got the code for key, which is what the system knows. There's a code it receives from the exchange, but actually that's going to be for the new key, which is key 2. So the system now knows that when it gets a signal for key from Binance, it knows it means this coin, key 2, and that is the self coin. So hopefully that's self-explanatory. So if I just refresh this screen, as we can see, these ones here where we've got them both the same, we've got to change them. This we got to change. We got to change. This we got to change. Where there's, you see, this is okay because it's hot and that halo coin. You see, this is okay. I did this same mistake myself, but where they're like this, the same coin, they're no good like that. Okay. So let me know if you understand. Hopefully you do.